How to log in into JP Morgan employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your JP Morgan's employee login account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser and simply search for JPMorgan Chase employee login. After you search for that, you'll find its employee portal right here. Tap on it. As you can see, it's hr.jpmorganchase.com. So open that website up and just let it load. Then tap on get started. And after you tap on get started, you can then move on with the login procedure. All you have to do is, have your credentials. So type in your SID, that is your standard ID, then tap on continue. After doing that, you'll have to use your password, type in your password and just log in. It's basically that simple, and there isn't much for it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care and bye-bye.